Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question that is 592 fraction addition and subtraction. But before that, please hit the subscribe button, drop a like and drop a comment as well. Let me know if I'm doing something wrong, if you want to drop some suggestions, some feedback. Okay, so but without wasting any time, let's just dive into the question that is fraction addition and subtraction. And we'll be given a string expression representing an expression of fraction addition and subtraction return, and we have to return the calculation result in the string format, and the final result should be an irreducible fraction. If your final result is an integer, change it to the format of a fraction that has denominator 1. So in case the answer is 2, we need to convert it to 2 by 1. Okay, for example, we are given the expression as minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Let's consider it that way only. Okay, so that will give us 0, but we have to return it in the form of 0 by 1 if we are having integer at the end. Okay, so firstly we'll need to have two variables that are numerator and the denominator. So int num, which is let's say 0, and denominator cannot be 0, so we are initializing it with 1. Okay, now let's just split the uh, expression based on these symbols which we are having. So that is equal to expression dot split. Okay, and in this we'll have to pass a regex. So let's have the regex in this format, because otherwise it won't get accepted. Okay, so question mark equal to minus plus, oh sorry, minus plus in the square brackets, and let's close the brackets. Okay, so this is the kind of expression which we want, basically divide minus and plus, and then let's just traverse in this array. So for int I equal to 0, I less than nums dot length I plus plus. Oh sorry, here we can do just I plus equal to 2, because we know the divide operators as well. Okay, so I plus equal to 2. Then we'll be having the current numerator, so that will be equal to let's parse it into an integer dot parse int nums of I, and similarly let's find the current denominator as well. Current denom, so for the number respective we'll be having I plus 1 to its denominator, and then we'll be updating the number as my number into my current numerator, oh sorry, current denominator plus my current num into denominator, and then I'll need to update my denominator as my denominator into current denominator. Okay, and at the end what I'll do is I'll just simply find the GCD of the numerator and denominator, so I can obviously cut that off. So that will be equal to the absolute value of, let's have the function GCD. In this I'll be passing numerator and denominator. Okay, and then I'll divide it by the GCD, both numerator and the denominators. So I'll be having my resultant string by equal to GCD. Okay, and then what I'll have to left is I'll be returning, oh sorry, here it should be denominator, not denominator, yeah. So here I'll have to pass num plus the divide sign plus the denominator, so it will concatenate into a string. And let's write the function that is private int GCD. Here I am having int a comma int b, so it's just a simple function. I'll be checking that if my a is equal to 0, in that case I'll be returning b, else I'll be returning uh, the recursive call that is b comma a mod b. Okay, and now let's give it a run. Oh okay, so it's so, oh sorry, here it should be b mod a and then a, my bad. Yeah, now let's give it a run. Okay, it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this was for today. Thank you for watching.